how to make the scroll wheel of your mouse a little bit faster so that pages don't scroll this slowly. To do that, come here to the start menu and go to the wheel settings, then devices, mouse here on the left side, and multiple lines at a time. That one is selected, and if we hold that one with your left click, it's showing the number. So it's 3, let's set it to around 10. No OK or apply button is needed, just scroll the wheel on your mouse. And around 10 is OK. Let's say 30, that's a bit too much, so I will leave it around 10. And thus the page is loading a bit faster. You don't have to move that thing too many times.